Mr. Kelleher, what impact will these attacks on diversity, equity, and inclusion have on policymakers' ability to address the racial wealth gap and ensure that there are truly equal opportunities to get ahead for all Americans?
I think everybody recognizes certainly in the private sector, the value and importance of diversity, multiple voices, and people with different experiences at the table. And that's certainly true at the financial regulatory agencies and the financial institutions that they oversee. And we can see that by the identification and addressing of the predatory targeting of certain communities of color, low income communities, and others. And those communities are not visible often at the financial regulators when the people at the financial regulators don't have any visibility or experience in those communities. And the OMWI offices have been critical junction points in making sure that those issues maintain a priority both within the agencies and within the regulated entities that those agencies are focused on. And the more people are aware of the breadth of our communities, the people and their experiences, the more that rules can actually be tailored appropriately. And that's why one of the reasons the racial wealth gap wasn't talked about, wasn't visible for many years. And it wasn't visible because people who are actually on the wrong end of the racial wealth gap weren't represented in the regulatory agencies and even in policymaking more broadly. And the identification of that and addressing that through various regulations and laws has been critical, but diversity is what has driven that.